Jordan.
We're gonna look for who?
Jordan.
And who else?
And Toby.
Yep. Where are they?
Over there in the playground.
Because Toby had to use the restroom?
Yeah.
Okay. So me and Eric are on a mission to find Jordan and Toby. And we found them. We found them. Walking the dog. Look, there's rain though.
Yeah, there's thunder.
There's thunder.
I just heard it.
So we found Jordan. We found Toby. But we also found some rain. So we might have to go hide or something. Right there.
Chill.
The rain caught us. And Toby made a new gun. I thought it was 3 minutes though. It's gonna be like more. Watch out, watch out. Go, go, go. Woo! So we found Jordan, we got rained on, but we're back safely. Thanks for enjoying the story. It's a story of going to walk Toby and finding Jordan
In the
in the rain. And the Beastie Boys soundtrack. Boom.